Well, hello everyone. Hey there. Today we are going to start a series of videos addressing the topic of spirit guides. And in this video, address the question, what is a spirit guide? Because the answer is more than an angel or my guardian angel. And you know, spirit guides are one of my favorite topics to talk about because I use my spirit guides all the time. Now, at one time, I didn't even know about spirit guides. All right. So whether you are new to the concept or a seasoned pro, please listen through. There is information here for everyone. So, okay, let's jump in. What is a spirit guide? A spirit guide is really a non-physical being. Okay. It is an aspect of consciousness. And I like to say they are nudging spirits. Okay. And they are here to help us in our life's journey. They are your companions for this lifetime journey. So just like you have companions here on earth, your friends, your family, your coworkers, they are your spirit companions for this journey. And many of them have been picked to help you specifically even before you came into this life experience on the planet. All right. And there are spirit guides. Some of them will be with you for your whole entire life, some for just a portion of that lifetime. Some will come and go, and some will stick with you from lifetime to lifetime. Now, when I'm conducting readings for people, they often ask me, do I have spirit guides? In fact, it's probably one of the top 3 questions that I field. And yes, everyone has a spirit guide. In fact, you have many spirit guides who want to help you and are just hanging around, waiting for you to notice them, talk to them, ask them for help. Even when you don't notice them or not aware, they're here, they're helping you, they're sending signs and signals. But when you can actually start to meet them, communicate with them, know how they communicate with you, that's when you really strengthen and build that bond of the relationship. Now, as I said, you have many spirit guides, and right now at this very moment, I promise you, there are spirit guides hovering all around you, all around your energy field, just waiting to get in there, lend a hand to help you in your life, all right? And they're like mentors, okay? These guides, they're like mentors. Some of them come from our galaxy. Some of them come from invisible realms. They come from distant places, other dimensions. They are not bound by time and space because they are spirit. They are energy light beings. Now, we also have spirit guides that could be a family member or an ancestor who has transitioned, right? And is concerned about your welfare and just wants to help out or check in with you or offer you a source of comfort. So for instance, my father passed when I was 22 years old. We were very, very close, and he is still very close with me, connected with me. Now, he doesn't offer me a lot of guidance, but he's always ready with an encouraging word, and I love you. He pops up in my dreams a lot just to kind of say, hey, you're doing great, keep going, I'm thinking about you. And gosh, I always know when he's present. I see an image of him. I can feel his energy as I felt him in the physical, and that image is usually right here just outside of my left eye, so I always know that's Dad. And I can always call upon him. Sometimes he just checks in. Like right now I'm talking about him, he is very, very present with me right now. Okay. A spirit guide can also be an enlightened person, religious figure like Jesus, Mother Mary, Buddha, a deity, a god, goddess. We also have guides who are, of course, angels from the angelic realm, animals, animal totems. A lot of people have animal spirits around them. Elementals such as gnomes, fairies. Maybe you have a plant spirit, okay, an aspect of nature that is with you. The list is really endless as to, who or what are your spirit guides. And on August 22nd, I will be hosting a 5-week online interactive class to help you not only meet your guides, but to communicate with them, okay? Because that is the feedback I get from people. I know my spirit guides. I know that they're around me, but I don't understand what they're saying. Okay, so we're going to learn to know their signs and signals, their communications, know who you are speaking to, what their purpose is in your life, and so much more. And this class is by request. I taught it several years ago, but many people said, please bring it back. I need to really understand. I want to really understand what my guides are saying to me. All right, and we're going to address all of that and more in the upcoming class. Now, the details, the course content, the dates, the sign up, all on my website, whispersfromthesoul.com, and I will include a link down below for you to access and take advantage of the special pricing that is in effect right now. All right, back to spirit guides. We have soul family spirit guides and star family spirit guides. Really, any high vibrational spirit that wants to come in and help you in your life is a spirit guide. Okay? Key point to note, high vibration spirit. Because I do a lot of entity release work, and I can tell you from experience that many people invite spirits into their lives because they think that they are a spirit guide, but they're not. They are low vibration, very low consciousness, sometimes deceiving spirits. We're going to address all of that in the class so that you will feel confident moving forward to be able to identify your true high vibe spirit guides. Okay. Now, here's another aspect to consider. We also have spirit guides that come from our own soul's consciousness. Okay, an aspect of yourself. So, for instance, your future self as a guide, your past self as a guide, your higher self as a guide. Okay, aspects of self that are wise, high in vibration. They know everything there is to know about you and can guide and direct you on your journey, give you information. All right. In fact, I truly believe that your greatest source of guidance and assistance comes from your higher self. Okay. First, for me, it's from God, universe, source, prime, creator, however you would look at that energy. For me, I use the word God. So that's always my greatest source of information, talking to God, getting messages from God, the universe. And then higher self. Your higher, wiser self knows everything about you. From all of your lifetimes, all of your realities, can offer you the guidance and inspiration and ideas that you need in your day-to-day life. And it's coming from your own consciousness, your soul's consciousness. And one of the modules in our upcoming class is we are going to strengthen that connection with your higher self. All right. So awesome. This is just a brief overview on what is a spirit guide. In future videos, we're going to dive a little bit deeper. And right now, I just encourage everyone to look around, say hello to your spirit guides. Even if you're not sure who they are, the communication has to start somewhere, somehow. So why not now? Ciao, everybody.